Hello people, welcome back to this channel, and today I will let to show you the way how you can edit your picture with the Photoshop with joining or changing the background on it. Open your Photoshop on your mobile phone. So the Photoshop in the mobile version could be assembled with this application, so you just need to tap it to open it. Now click into the home section and we need to create a new editing project just by tap into this photo editor. And now you just need to go click or pick the picture that you want to edit. Perfect. And then take a look on this button feature, guys. Swipe into the left side until you got this combine. Type combine, and then you just need to do this cut out. And then you just need to go click into this side. Wait until the project is ready. Perfect. And that could be an options right here. We need to wait for a while. Now we just need to tap into the subject. Perfect, we already got it. And then you just need to go click into this aspect ratio or tap into this edit. Right after you're done, you just need to go click duplicate, and now you just need to drag the duplicate area into these specific positions that you want to get. Perfect, we already got this too. And then you just need to go tap into this side, tap into the background, and you can get this color option, and then just go pick the color. And then you're done. So that's for today's tutorial, guys. It's super simple and easy. Hopefully you understand, and if you still have some question, just drop some comments on the down side below, and don't forget to turn on the notification section for upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching, and let's meet again into other tutorial.